Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Immersion blender handheld corded hand blenders set 1100W, trigger variable speed 5-in-1 stick emulsifier with chopper, whisk and frother for soup, baby food and smoothies. More Lumpy Chunks, equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design, with a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy puréeing, emulsifying or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free, features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best, stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Thanks for watching and subscribe.